I'd like to talk today about a condition known as synesthesia and its possible causes. Now, synesthesia attracts a lot of interest because scientists believe that understanding why it occurs could help us understand how our brains process sensory stimuli. Synesthesia is a condition where our senses, sight, smell, taste, and hearing, appear to be mixed up. So, rather than just hearing music, or tasting food, or seeing numbers on a page, a person with synesthesia, a synesthete, experiences an extrasensory response to a stimulus. So, for example, when they hear a musical note, they might also see a color. When they hear a particular word, like book, they might at the same time get a taste of something completely unrelated, like chocolate. When they see a number on a page, they might at the same time see in their mind a certain shape or color. Most synesthetes find these associations pleasant rather than unpleasant. Because of this, synesthesia is not considered an illness. Serious synesthesia only affects 1 in 2,000 people, but it has been suggested that we all have a tendency to be synesthetic. This raises two important questions. Is synesthesia due to a physical difference, or do people become synesthetic because of environmental factors? Now, some psychologists believe that synesthesia develops in children when they're growing up, because the taste and sound associations that synesthetes describe often come from things in their childhood. The pleasant taste of sweets, or the unpleasant taste of vegetables that they had to eat. The songs they learned at school, or the music that they repeated when trying to learn the piano. However, there are other psychologists who believe that synesthetes make these unusual associations owing to a physical difference in their brain structure. The suggestion is that their brains are cross-wired so that when they receive a signal, more than one part of the brain is activated. Okay? When they receive a signal that normally activates just one part of the brain, another part of the brain is also activated. This theory has been tested with neuroimaging, where the brain is scanned and the activated sections of the brain light up on the screen when they are stimulated. Some scans have shown different parts of the brain lighting up, but others have not. So, in fact, the results of neuroimaging have been inconclusive. It seems that there is both an increased and reduced sensitivity